tied between 2 points, very tight. And when we pluck the string, it starts vibrating and produces frequencies. Different frequencies produced in certain intervals of time will produce a music. This is what you call a musical instrument do. So in a musical instrument, we have strings, and the strings are under tension. It is kept at a large tension. And after that, keeping the tension, and it is plucked from a point, it starts vibrating and produces a frequency. Frequency means the sound of a certain frequency. Many sounds of different frequencies when produced in certain levels of time, the mixed effect will be that of music. This is what, this is the expression for vibration of a string of length L when a tension T is applied to it. T is applied. And this small m is mass per unit length. So in this expression, nu is free. How it is, sir? Nu, N-E-W, nu. It is read as nu, not the word meaning new, but only you will say that the sound of what new makes. New is the new, F also we can use, small f also we can use. But in most of the books, frequency is denoted by nu only. Nu is equal 1 by 2 in root of T by M. What is T? T is the tension applied on the wire. Right? And what is small m? Small m is the mass per unit length of the wire. Wire means string. That means out of unit length of the wire, when it is cut and separate and take the mass of that, that is this. Unit length means 1 centimeter, 1 meter, etc. What is the mass of 1 meter length of the wire? Is what is called small m. Yeah, 1 centimeter length of the wire is a small mass per unit length. So this is the condition about this. Also, we will see that whether this equation is correct or not. The scientists have proved the equation nu is equal 1 by 2 L root of 2x. T by M. 2 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 has no dimension, right? Yeah. Nu means frequency. Frequency means reciprocal of the time period, right? Now the dimensions of nu is equal to that means the nu is equal 1 by t. Dimensions of nu is equal to 1 by reciprocal of the time period is called a dimension. Right? Sorry, is called a frequency. This can be as equal to t raised to minus 1. T raised to minus 1. Therefore, the dimension of nu is equal to m raised to 0, L raised to 0, t raised to minus 1 we can write. Okay, this is frequency. So frequency is 0 in mass, 0 in length, and minus 1 in time we can write. And the next term when you see 1 by 2 has no dimension, then dimensions of the RHS. This is what? This is LHS. And next is RHS. RHS, the dimension means dimension of this quantity. That is equal to 1 by capital I will write. Because 1 by 2 has no dimension. This length is 1 by L. Right? Then you will write this is tension. Tension means force only. Tension means force. Force is M L T raised to minus 2. ML T raised to minus 2. The whole divided by small m. Small m is equal to capital M divided by L. Mass per unit length. Right? This L also will go up. Sorry. Okay. M by L. Right? This is the condition. Mass per unit length. So this mass per unit length I can write as equal to M L raised to minus 1 also I can write. Right? M L raised to minus 1. So this is L T raised to minus 2. Okay. So these are the conditions. So now you get this as equal to this M and M can be cancelled. Right? Now this you are getting is 1 by capital. The whole root 1 by L raised to minus 1 is equal to L raised to 1. That means L raised to 1 into L raised to 1 is equal to L square into T raised to minus 2 you are getting. Okay. This is equal to 1 by L into root removed. You will get L T raised to minus 1 you will get. The root of L square is L and the root of T raised to minus 2 is equal to T raised to minus 1. L cancel. Again you are getting is equal to what? T raised to minus 1. Therefore the dimensions are M raised to 0, L raised to 0, T raised to minus 1. So LHS dimension of mu is equal to this one, and dimension of other quantities also equal to the same thing. M raised to 0, L raised to 0, T raised to minus 1. So this way we can check the correctness of this equation also, right? Or any equation you can check the correctness of that. So from all these things, we can understand one thing. What is the actual point you understand? That means for a post-hole physical equation of a post-hole physical event, every term, LHS and RHS, every term of the equation must have the same dimension. This principle is called the principle of homogeneity of dimensions. Another equation I am taking, that is this, B square is equal to U square plus 2AS. Another equation I am taking. What is the dimension of B square? V square means that is equal to velocity is L t raised to minus 1, the square of that. That is equal to L square t raised to minus 2. Okay, first equation, first LHS value you got. Then U square is equal to, again, that is velocity, that is initial velocity, square of initial velocity. That is same as equal to L t raised to minus 1, the whole raised to 2. That is L square t raised to minus 2. Right? Now, the third term, that is 2AS. 2 has no dimension. Therefore, which has dimension? A and S. That is, A means L t raised to minus 2 into L. What is L? Because displacement is L only. Displacement is a length or it is a distance. Therefore, it is L t square, L t raised to minus 2 into L. Again, this you are getting as equal to L square t raised to minus 2. Right? All the terms of the equation has the same dimension. So point, very important, again I am speaking. That means if an equation is dimensionally correct, it means that all the terms must have the same dimension. It further means that quantities having same dimension only can be added or subtracted. So many equations are given in this in your textbook. That also will go through and do as many as questions possible and practice it. That is the lesson about today. And we will come with another lesson, new lesson tomorrow. Till then, bye.